Do you ever find yourself stuck or just even feeling blah like I do? Well, let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Reverend Sharon, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration presented by Spiritually Centered. And let's talk about that thing about feeling like really stuck or blah and kind of depressed, but not really, but like kind of feeling like, you need something new in your life. Well, let's talk about ways that we can jumpstart that. And I've got a list for us, right? So the first one is, if you have sage, get out, smudge. If you have incense, light incense. If you have essential oils, put on the essential oils in the diffuser or light a scented candle. And if you don't have any of that, put on water in a pot on the stove to boil and add things like vanilla, cloves, cinnamon, and let that smell start to move, because again, that helps to start with the sense of smell. The other thing that you can do is to put on really great music that makes you feel good, not the music that's going to make you cry and be sad, but something good. And it could be instrumental, it could be just makes you feel good. It makes you feel happy. Then another one is to sit down and write a list of all the things that you really admire about yourself. Now, you can say to me, well, when I'm feeling blah, I don't know anything I like about myself. And I think that you do, and it could be like the color of your eyes or the shape of your face or your job, or your ability, not your job, that's not about liking yourself. Things that you admire, that you can solve a problem or that you're resilient. Give yourself permission to look at those things, all right? Because that's important, because that's going to help you see that you are more than what you might be feeling at the moment. And then the other thing is to go do something playful, so something that makes you feel good or relaxed, that's playful to you, whatever that is. Now, it could be sitting on your patio with chalk and scribbling designs. It could be blowing bubbles. It could be going and playing putt-putt. There are a lot of different things that you can do with that. So, those suggestions not working for you? You're not into those? Well, let's go in another direction here. All right, so maybe you need something more about resetting your personal style. So maybe get your hair done, get it cut, get it colored, change the style. Go through your closet and look at your clothes and see which ones are you wearing or you're not wearing and why. But see if you can put together your outfits differently in ways that you hadn't thought about it before. So like this, right? And this feels fun to me and it feels good, and it's not in a way that I would have imagined it yesterday. Change your makeup look. If you're a woman or anybody who's wearing makeup and you don't like the look, change the look. And if you don't know what to do, if you know a Mary Kay consultant, call her and say, hey, I'm really needing a new look. Let her come and help you create a new look. It's something that you can do, and it's a little gift that you give to yourself. Get a massage or get a mani-pedi. Those things can, again, start to help you move and to feel better about yourself. That's not doing it for you? Okay, I'm still going here, right? Let go of anything in your home that is chipped or broken, or when you look at it, you get a bad memory. Just give yourself permission to get rid of it, to move it out, to put it out of the way. And if it's a family heirloom, but you don't like it, then, call other family and say, who wants this, right? But it's like you're not going to be haunted by your past relatives for holding on to an heirloom that doesn't make you happy. And it just is like, oh, that was my great-grandmother's and I don't know what she did with it or why she ever got it because that thing's ugly, right? Do you think that your great-grandmother's going to be worried about that? Maybe she didn't like it either, right? And they never got rid of things because they didn't have a lot. So that's another one. And make room for good to come in. And what I mean by that is if you've got an area that's a little bit cluttered, and again, it could start with that junk drawer in the kitchen, clean it out. Just start moving that energy. And the other thing, and the most important, is get sticky notes and write a reminder, a message to yourself. And whatever that is, I am wonderful, I am lovely, I am prosperous. Or you can do something like this, write on it, I am, whatever that is. And so it could be, I am happy. The other part, I have happiness in my life. And I choose to be happy. So I am happy. I have happiness in my life and I choose to be happiness. And write a lot of them and stick them everywhere so that you can start to look. So these are all ways that can help move you out of that energy. But it's up to you because you have the choice and you have free will. So here is to this opportunity to unblah yourself, to undo the stuckness that you have. So let's get unstuck. And until next time, namaste.